Heating shouldn't be a luxury, but our latest Tenant Pulse survey shows that a lot of tenants in Wales are struggling to stay warm. 70% tenants reported heating as unaffordable. When it comes to Black, Asian, minority ethnic renters, this jumps to 83%. Awareness of EPC ratings has dropped, especially among young renters, from 43 to 14%. Positive side, PCC was the most reported rating this year, showing that upgrades are reaching more homes through optimized retrofit scheme and the other schemes which landlords are working on. It even matter the EPC ratings. Well, 40% tenants said that EPC ratings influence their choice while making a decision. While some also complain for information being missing or unclear, making it difficult for them to make an informed choice. Those who had home upgrades, 18% reported of having savings, while there was a greater need for better education and awareness on what it really means by energy savings and energy consumption. And this uncertainty points to a bigger issue that tenants need clear communication and better resources. As we transition from gas to electricity, tenants were also scared about the energy prices, the smart tech, which they can't always use, and energy outages, meaning that we need to be more proactive and support them from the start. Tenants want to engage more, they want to be heard. Over 180 tenants wanted to be part of our focus group and engage and learn more about net zero homes. And finally, 81% tenants said that landlords should not raise rents on inefficient homes until they're improved. The message is clear. Tenants want warmth, they want transparency, they want to be heard. Read the full report and join the conversation.